Did you know there's a basting stitch on the Bernina 480 sewing machine? It's stitch number 30, and you do find this on a lot of Bernina sewing machines. But if you do look at what the information actually says, this is a manual basting stitch, which actually I like because then I get to determine how long I want the basting stitch, and I can quickly pull my fabric and probably do it faster than, say, one of the built-in basting stitches. So here's how it works. Notice that, first off, the tension does reduce, and that makes it super easy to actually remove. The stitches are like almost pulled to one side, so when you pull on that side, it just releases all the stitches. The other thing in that information area, it also says to lower the feed dog. So I'm going to go right over here, push that square in all the way so those teeth are down, and that's going to make it easier to pull it all the way through. Plus, if you do have your freehand system engaged, we've done a video right up here. Go ahead and link over to that and watch. That is a great way to keep both hands on your fabric at all times and be able to lift the foot, place it down, do the stitch, and then keep going. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. So first off, they do recommend that you hold on for the very first stitch, hold on to this top thread. Lower the presser foot down, take a stitch. So it just takes a couple stitches to lock and then it stops. Lift up your presser foot and move forward. Lower the presser foot down on the fabric, it takes one stitch. That's all you're going to get. So that means if I want to come all the way down here, take a stitch, perfect. Come forward, take a stitch, and then move to where I'm going. I'm pulling from the back, and that helps stabilize where these stitches go. Lift it up, slide it forward. Okay, let's go ahead and take that last stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it all the way out and show you why these stitches are so easy to take out. Because the tension is reduced on the top, this allows that the bobbin thread is actually just as easy to pull from the back side. So once I get a hold of that bobbin thread, when I'm done, I'm going to just go ahead and pull it out, and then the top thread has been released from the entire project. So if you wanted smaller stitches, all you're going to do is just go ahead and take a stitch, move it, move it, move it, and just keep stitching until you have everything secured. Maybe test it, make sure it's fitting the item that you're trying to fit, and then know that you can come back right over the top of it with a standard straight stitch, and those longer stitches can easily be pulled out and removed for easy placement for the project.